So we're outside now. A lot of drink. It's called Eat, Drink, SF. You definitely...
It's called Drink, Drink,
yeah,
SF.
You
Drink,
basically drink a lot. Good morning, guys. Crossing the street, trying not to die. Okay, I made it across the street. Very special vlog for you today. It is a mommy only vlog featuring my mommy best friend. I found her! Hi! I found her. So we're going on a special mommy date today. Very important. We're getting a lift. Like true millennials. Alright. I didn't say what we're doing today. Oh, she found somebody. Mommy event. Not really. We're at Eat, Drink, SF. Carmina took me as her date today. So it's an event that happens here in San Francisco once a year. And basically we're just gonna eat, we're gonna drink. They give you these glasses and I'm assuming they're just gonna keep filling them up. So follow us along. Cheers.
It's a rum from Belize. It's organic and also it's got that funky flavor. It's got a rum.
Okay.
It's got kiwi. It's got like a coconut liqueur from the Yucatan and then also a banana liqueur from France.
Ooh, wow.
It's got a tincture in there, so a nice light tincture of the chili pepper from Japan. Got it. Thank you. She's gonna take like a shot.
Okay, can you like stir for me? Mom? Please, Mom? Thanks, Mom. So, we've barely been here 15 minutes. We're struggling because there's nowhere where we can fill up these stinky cups. So we keep grabbing cups everywhere else. And then how am I supposed to hold this cup and eat all the food? And who's gonna take our picture? First world problems, guys. First world problems. Now. A lot of drink. It's called Eat, Drink, SF. You definitely...
It's called Drink, Drink,
yeah,
SF.
You
Drink,
basically drink a lot. So we got a Paloma. I don't know if she's gonna share her margarita.
There's a fly.
What? Where? Ew! Don't touch those! We're supposed to pair it with the ceviche from Nick's Cove, which we already had, but she will get us more. So, we've never been to this before. It's been happening for years. I think it used to be a 2-day event. Now it's a 1-day event. We have afternoon tickets, and then there's going to be evening tickets. So we're basically the first group. Cheers. Oh, good. We're basically the first group to eat all this stuff. Delicious, guys. Delicious. On this side, there's something called
which is a boba miso. Boba miso is Hong Kong milk tea mousse on the hot, topped with mascarpone foam, and then garnished with black sugar pearl.
Oh, wow.
Enjoy!
Asian food. Do you know what this is?
No?
We don't read, but I recorded it so you can see. Looks like, is this pork?
I don't know. Beef with this garlic noodle.
Oh.
Shrimp.
Some shrimp. We need to eat. So, I'm gonna down this and then maybe go back for that boba miso, whatever that meant. So, this is the boba miso. Let's see, guys. Cheers. Do you taste boba? Oh, at the end, there's like a spritz of like tapioca flavor.
Oh
or something.
yeah, pretty good.
Yeah. I don't hate it.
Don't love it.
Yeah, I don't love it, but I don't hate it. Yeah,
No, there's
it's good. It's good. I forgot where it's from. We're really bad at this.
Oh yeah, Palette Tea House.
Palette Tea House.
New on Fisherman's Wharf.
Fisherman's Wharf. So if you're ever visiting San Francisco, is it at Fisherman's Wharf or is that like your
It's like
deli?
your deli, yeah.
It's a new dim sum tea house spot in Ghirardelli Square. So either get your boba miso. Oh, and they also had, this is their dim sum. There was a really long line for it.
Ready? Okay. Wait for the whole thing? Yeah.
Ooh, very good, but very hot. So if you're ever visiting San Francisco, check them out at Ghirardelli Square. Right here we have Portuguese egg tarts from the Barrel Room. Up, focus. It's good? Girl, it's good? I'm gonna try this. Okay, hold on. I'll let you guys see my face. Ooh, it's warm.
Oh wow.
It's warm.
What is it?
Egg. It's like egg custard.
Oh,
Oh yeah, I need to go to the bathroom when you do my lipstick. Oh, sorry. Okay. Delicious, guys. Check them out. So, I have 2 dates today, guys. I finished my first date. I'm really full from that. But look who's here
Second
now.
date.
I'm having 2 dates. My 2 BFFs, my real BFF, and my hubby BFF.
Which one's which? No, I'm kidding.
So we're waiting in line right now at somewhere Jonathan and I have been wanting to go to for a while.
Yes, for
So-
years actually.
Yeah, really excited for this.
And the place is called Liho Liho Yacht Club in San Francisco.
Yeah, it's in San Francisco. We're waiting in line now because we didn't get a reservation. So let's see what happens, guys. So we made it in, but at the bar.
Yes.
So we got here right before 5 o'clock when they opened, and there was a line. And we weren't sure if we would like get to the bar for walk-in or not, or whatever, right? We'd have to wait, but we made it. We waited maybe about like 10. We got here like 4:50 right before it opened, and we got seated at the bar. And they have the full menu here. So we're here right now. We both got a drink, of course. Cheers! And we're about to eat or
Ordering.
trying to order, but I'm trying to tell him some stories, but he wants to eat, so eat.
I don't have time for stories right now. I'm starving.
He's hungry. Today he's hungry, not Mama, because Mama ate all day.
These are beef tongue owls. And it has kimchi and pickled jalapeno pickle. I don't know. Jalapeno pickle.
Are you drunk?
No,
Are you
not
drunk?
No.
You don't have to speak?
No, I'm just confused.
Yeah. First one was sure about it, but I feel like it's growing on me for 10.
Alright guys, so we are at Mom's favorite place ever right now. And so we recently just got a, stay on a new bed. We got her a, I can't think of it. I'm like
Bunk bed, but not a bunk bed.
yes.
It's like a toddler.
I was like delaying what I was saying because I didn't know what I was saying.
Loft bed for little kids.
So we're
I'm on
planning.
Amazon.
Yes, so we're planning on putting a bed for Zayan on top and then putting a small bed for Zalia on the bottom, and hopefully Zalia will sleep down there because we haven't transitioned her out of her crib yet. So that's a whole new vlog probably in the future, but we're gonna go ahead and end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.